Hi everyone, this is Tom from inspirationenglish.com. In this video, we will look at 4 very important words in the English language. Just, yet, already, and still, and how to use them. If you find the video helpful, please check out inspirationenglish.com. So, just is usually used with the present perfect, and it means a short time ago, or recently. I've just seen John coming out of the supermarket. I want to tell you that a short time ago, maybe a few minutes ago, I saw John coming out of the supermarket. Sarah's just called. Can you call her back, please? I'm telling you that she called a short time ago. If you call her back now, she might still be at home. I'm emphasizing that this happened recently. In the present perfect, just comes between the auxiliary verb and past participle. Yet is used to talk about something which is expected to happen. It means at any time up to now. It's used in questions and negatives. Have you seen Avengers Endgame yet? The speaker expects that you either have seen it or you will see it soon. You could reply, no, I haven't seen it yet. I'm going to see it tomorrow. And yet usually comes at the end of the sentence. Still is used to talk about something that hasn't finished, especially when we expected it to finish earlier. It usually goes with the present perfect, but it can be used with other tenses as well. I've been waiting for over an hour and my taxi still hasn't come. In this example, I expected my taxi to be here an hour ago and it still hasn't arrived. Where is it? I had a late night last night. I was still working at 11 o'clock. So I expected to finish working earlier, but I was still working so late. And still usually comes in the mid position of a sentence. Yet and still are quite similar. They can both be used in negative sentences, but still is a little bit stronger. It shows a stronger feeling. For example, the bus hasn't arrived yet, but it's okay, we're still waiting. Or, the bus still hasn't arrived. Now I'm getting angry. Where is the bus? Already is used to say that something has happened early or earlier than it might have happened. If I ask you, do you want to come to lunch today? But you ate earlier, so you're not hungry anymore, you can say, no, thank you, I have already eaten. Your boss asks you to do something, but you're so good at your job you did it earlier, you can say, I've already done it. And already usually comes in the mid position of the sentence. Thank you. If you found the video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss our future videos with topics just like this as well as lots more. And comment below. Are there any other unusual grammar words you find really confusing? And check out inspirationenglish.com for the notes on this lesson and a free activity to practice using this grammar as well as everything else we offer. Thank you for watching. See you next time.